What's up guys, that car dude, back with another video, and today I'm gonna be doing a review on Xbox 360 gaming wheel. My battery's flashing red, so I hope I do not have to charge this thing up, but let's take a review. I did do one earlier and my editing software is not working. So I'm having a hard time with that, but so yeah, I'm gonna make a new one right now, and I'm gonna make it a little quicker, cause my battery's flashing red, so it could die any minute. Alright, there's the gaming wheel, Microsoft Xbox 360. It's out of production, so the best place to get it is eBay. Yeah, that's right, eBay. It comes with the gaming wheel. It has paddle shifters on the side. It's I don't know if you guys can see. Oh, that's really blurry. But that just shifted the gears, just so you guys know. And then that's the pedals. And it's pretty much just regular. You tilt the wheel, it'll make the car go that way. Oh, that's fail. Yeah, this is really fun. And on 4-wheel drives is fun too. If you guys tell what car this is from, comment down below. I just gotta say, I'll give you guys a hint. It's a car from that dude in blue. Oh, and shout out to that dude in blue. He's awesome. Check out his videos. But yeah, so that's the gaming wheel. Oh, and shout out to DBPSQUAD Productions. Sorry if I butchered that. And yeah,